Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about aliphatic TPU, and the fact that it's not just one material, but comes in three different types. The three types are polyester TPU, polyether TPU, and polycaprolactone TPU, and they differ significantly in heat resistance, hydrolysis resistance, and mechanical properties. Polyester TPU has excellent mechanical strength, abrasion resistance, and heat resistance. But its weakness is poor hydrolysis resistance. Water molecules break down the polymer chain, and the acids formed accelerate the process. This means it's less reliable for long-term outdoor use. Polyether TPU has excellent low-temperature flexibility and no ester groups, making it highly resistant to hydrolysis. However, it has relatively weak mechanical strength, with lower tensile, abrasion, and tear resistance. In other words, it survives the environment but lacks mechanical toughness. Polycaprolactone TPU offers the best overall performance. It combines the mechanical strength and heat resistance of polyester TPU with the hydrolysis and low-temperature resistance of polyether TPU. It also provides long-term outdoor weather stability in both color and mechanical properties, making it ideal for paint protection films. When exposed to UV, acid rain, dust, scratches, and temperature cycling, the weaknesses of polyester and polyether TPU become critical. Only polycaprolactone TPU can truly ensure the performance and durability of paint protection films. Follow us for more insights into global branding and B2B communication. Don't forget to like this video, share it with others who might find it useful, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides, tips, and insights into the world of TPU and paint protection films.